In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to withdraw from Opay target savings. So basically, I already have a target savings right there. So just open your Opay app, then navigate to the finance page. Down below, you can see finance. Then you're gonna see the page just like this. So right here, you see targets. We have one plan for 50,000 naira. So I'm gonna click on that. Then yeah, so we're gonna see right there. So you can see this is my target. This is it. You can see save with discipline. So I plan to be saving 50,000 naira per month. So and I'm currently on 12% out of 100. So remain 178 days left to meet up to my target, which is by the end will have saved like 400,000. I think that's around December thereabout. Yeah. So let's say you now want to withdraw from target savings on your account. So right here you can see, after I click on that target, you can see monthly, then you see top up, then you see break and settings. So if you wanna withdraw the money, so you have to break, just like breaking the jail, something like that. So you have to break it. And apparently I think I made a mistake with my target savings actually. So I supposed to be saving 57,146 naira thereabout, you can see. So I only saved 50,000 naira. Actually I missed it that day. I missed the saving that particular day. So I have to do a top up directly to my target saving, which of course I now top up 50,000 naira. So apparently I was hoping maybe it's around 50,000 naira, but then it is what it is. So if you want to break it or you want to withdraw the money, so you have to click on break. Then you're gonna see right there. So if you have to break, you're gonna be losing some money. So payment gateway charge 500 naira. So out of my own 50,000 naira, they're still gonna charge me 500 naira. So the best is just think about it before you start a target saving. I also do a daily saving as well, and they also charge me because I was in need of money, so I have to break it. So that was how I lose money that time. That's why I don't want to go for the daily saving again. But so I prefer to do the monthly target saving. So I think that's not bad. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a top up to my savings later, maybe in another video. So but then this is how you can actually withdraw your money. So reason for breaking, you can select any reason. You can see need emergency fund, choose a wrong saving time period. I don't want to save anymore. Product is too complex to understand. I don't like the savings module. So just choose your savings and click on break target. So it's gonna take 24 hours before you'll be able to get the money into your Opay wallet. So currently it's 4 p.m. right now on Monday. So if I break it right now, I'll be getting the money this same time tomorrow, Tuesday. So that is how it works. So yeah.